Time to make a magic cake recipe from the 50s. What you'll need is flour, sugar, margarine, baking soda, salt, clove, cinnamon, and nutmeg. As for the wet ingredients, we only need one: a can of Campbell's condensed tomato soup. Now sift together the flour and spices, cream the margarine and sugar together, and combine the tomato soup with the baking soda. Next, bring everything together, alternating between wet and dry, and be careful not to overmix. Pour the cake batter into a prepared bread tin, then place into a 350-degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. While it bakes, make a frosting of your choice. I'm making a chocolate frosting. Finally, once the cake is done, remove it from the tin and let it cool, then you can frost it. Ta-da! Your cake is done and you're ready to surprise your friends.